The Maryland Insurance Administration makes sure that carriers are complying with Maryland's laws, regulations, and the terms of their policies. If you are having a problem with a health or life insurance carrier, our Life and Health Complaint Unit investigators are here to investigate your complaint and help you understand your options. A mother who recently suffered the loss of her son was having a hard time locating his life insurance policy. She contacted the life insurance carrier with no success. She was told they were not able to locate a life insurance policy under her son's name in their system. The consumer filed a complaint with the Maryland Insurance Administration, who contacted the insurance carrier. The company searched their records a second time, locating the policy under another name which had been used by her son. The error was corrected and the insurance policy was paid.
Not long after a recent investigation was completed, a consumer wrote in to say, "I am deeply grateful to you for the effort you undertook on my behalf. It was only through your research and patience that I came to understand the nuances of my dispute with my insurance carrier." The consumer was involved in a car accident and treated in an emergency room. He provided the hospital with his health insurance information and paid his copay. Once the auto accident claim was settled, his health insurance carrier asked the other driver's auto insurer to pay them for the emergency room visit. The auto insurer did not reimburse the health insurer. Ultimately, the health insurer's unreimbursed claim was sent to collections against the consumer. The consumer filed a complaint with the MIA, and the investigator contacted the health insurance company. The investigator found that the health insurance company waited too long to ask for repayment. The health insurance company dropped their request, and the collection activity was stopped.
If you receive a notice of premium increase or a non-renewal notice pertaining to your auto policy in Maryland, you have the right to file a protest and have an investigator look into your situation. The Maryland Insurance Administration requires insurance providers to send their policyholders a formal notice of a premium increase resulting from a ticket, accident, or claim. After learning about a premium increase due to an at-fault accident, a consumer submitted his right of protest contesting the premium increase. The Maryland Insurance Administration's investigator contacted the insurance carrier, who agreed the notice of premium increase did not contain all of the information required by law. As a result, the premium increase was withdrawn and the original premium amount was reinstated.
If you are having a problem with how your insurance company responds when you file a property or casualty claim, that's a claim with your renters, homeowners, automobile, liability, or travel insurance, the employees of the Maryland Insurance Administration's Property and Casualty Complaints Unit are here to investigate your complaint and help you understand your options. We received a complaint from a consumer who had to cancel her travel plans on account of severe weather conditions caused by Hurricane Florence in North Carolina. Road closures and government warnings prohibited her from reaching her destination. She had purchased travel insurance for her trip and was having problems getting the insurance company to cover her claim. In her case, it turned out her policy had been issued in another state, so her complaint fell outside of the jurisdiction of the Maryland Insurance Administration. Our investigator transferred the complaint to the proper state's insurance department and followed up to learn that the claim had been paid. We received some much appreciated feedback from this consumer.
Your investigator was very helpful and sympathetic to our claim. We truly feel that without their involvement and dedication, our claim wouldn't have been resolved in our favor.
Insurance fraud is one of the most costly crimes in our country. According to the FBI, insurance fraud costs about $40 billion per year nationally, costing the average American family between $400 and $700 in higher premiums. Committing insurance fraud can result in civil or criminal prosecution, jail time, penalties as high as $10,000, or both jail time and a penalty. The Maryland Insurance Administration investigated a case suspected to be a staged automobile accident. The consumer filed a claim with his insurance carrier, stating he was just in an accident and alleging that he and a co-defendant were injured. During the investigation, video footage of the accident revealed that the accident was staged and neither subject was in the vehicle when the collision occurred. The consumer pleaded guilty to 1 count of insurance fraud for the staged accident. He was sentenced to 5 years incarceration, all suspended, and given supervised probation. Restitution was ordered in the amount of $5,137.
Recently, a case involving a Prince George's County woman was referred to our investigators. She had claimed lost wages from her job due to injuries after an automobile accident. A Maryland Insurance Administration fraud unit investigator was able to retrieve documentation showing she was financially compensated by her employer for the entire period of time she was not working. She was attempting to collect lost wages, even though she was still getting paid by her employer. She pled guilty to 1 count of theft and was given 5 years probation in order to pay $12,403 in restitution to her insurance carrier. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, or our website at www.insurance.maryland.gov, or call us with your insurance-related questions at 1-800-492-6116. Tune in soon for more videos of our team at work.